Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can upgrade weapons in VR Vines Meet. So what you need to do is just click escape, or on the controller just click on this one and then go to develop, and after that go to the abilities right here and choose one of martial arts, and here you can upgrade it. So let's say I will choose nameless sword. Right now I can't because my level is too low, but right here if you click you will see an upgrade button. You will need to click that and you'll be able to basically max that out and pay some coins, because there will be coins how much does it cost to upgrade your skill. And the second way is how you can upgrade your gear is basically go and select on gear and basically click on enchants, as you can see, like this, and then just click enchants, and here you'll see enchantment materials, what it will use, and here you'll see what it applies to and what it upgrades. So like min physical attack from 1 to 2 and max physical attack to from 1 to 2. Again, this goes for every item that you have. You just click on enchants and basically on the button that you just see and click. So let's click on enchants. As you can see, it is a rectangle for the controller, so click on that one and you will basically enchant your item. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.